If OBS Studio shows an encoding overload warning, it usually means your system is struggling to encode the recording or stream in real time. First, open the OBS stats window and check whether the problem is caused by encoding lag. If encoding overload is increasing, start by lowering the workload on your encoder. Open Settings, go to Output, and check the encoder you're using. If your graphics card supports hardware encoding, such as NVIDIA NVENC or a supported AMD encoder, try using it instead of software encoding on the CPU. Next, go to the video settings and reduce your output resolution. If you're recording at 1920 by 1080 and your computer is struggling, try 1280 by 720 and test again. You can also reduce the frame rate from 60 FPS to 30 FPS. Lowering the frame rate means OBS has fewer frames to process every second. If you're recording gameplay, check your game's graphics settings. Running a game at maximum settings can use nearly all of your GPU resources, leaving too little available for OBS. Lowering some graphics settings or limiting the game's FPS can help. Now review your OBS scene. Remove unnecessary browser sources, animated elements, filters, and high-resolution media that you don't need. Close other demanding applications running in the background as well. This can free up CPU, GPU, and memory resources for OBS.